In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Shopify product pricing not updating. If you've changed a price in your store, but the storefront still shows the old amount, don't worry, this walkthrough will help you correct the price and make sure the change sticks. First, open your Shopify store by signing into your admin in your web browser. You'll land on the dashboard where you manage your products, orders, and settings. We'll work inside the admin only, so you don't need to touch your theme code or apps for this basic fix. Next, go to the Products section from the left-hand menu. This is where every item in your catalog lives. Find and select the specific product that's showing the wrong price. Using search can help if you have a large catalog. Inside the product page, scroll to the pricing area. Here, edit the price field and type in the correct amount. Take a moment to confirm the currency is what you expect, and note that Compare at Price is optional and meant to show a crossed-out higher price during sales. If your product has variants, make sure you're updating the price for each variant that needs it. Also keep in mind that taxes, discounts, and certain apps can influence the final price a customer sees, but the price field is your source of truth in the admin. Once you've entered the correct price, click Save. Give the system a moment to process. Shopify usually applies changes quickly, but caching in your browser can delay what you see on your end. Being patient for a few seconds after saving can prevent confusion. If the price still appears outdated, try clearing your browser cache. Cached images and files can hold on to old data, so clearing them forces your browser to load the newest version of your store. You can find the Clear Cache option in your browser's settings, typically under Privacy or History. After clearing, reload your storefront and check again. If the issue persists, reach out to Shopify customer support. Let them know which product you updated, what price you set, when you saved it, and where you're seeing the wrong amount. Screenshots are helpful, but avoid sharing sensitive information. Support can investigate whether a theme setting, discount, or app is affecting the displayed price. That's it. By opening your store admin, updating the price under the product's pricing section, saving and clearing your browser cache if needed, you'll resolve most pricing update issues. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get your product prices displaying correctly.